What's up guys, over here with another update. In this one we're gonna be doing mission 17 on blocked, then do some speculations regarding the mainnet launch, and then we'll talk a little bit about the ecosystem developments. As usual, all links are gonna be in description, but follow them at your own risk. And we're gonna start with mission 17. This is for Fuzio. Connecting the wallet, it's checking our save balance as usual, so we need to enter the dApp. Alright, connect your Leap wallet. Your jungle passport is just a click away. Okay, enter app. Woo. Okay, connect button is on the bottom left. Let's do Leap. Nice. What's next? Trade time. Heat up trade on the left bar, tap swap, and then trade say Fuzio tokens. Okay, trade, swap, say into Zio. How much do we need? I assume not much. Approving. Okay, swap confirmed. This little lizard is so cute. Okay, what's next? Checking token balance. Okay, we got Zio. Next. Wild bet time. Pop over to predictions. Toggled in your left bar menu onto speculate. Speculate. Prediction. Alright. Okay, next. Guess Bitcoin's next 5-minute move. Pump or dump. This? Let's do dump. Okay, create bet. Approve transaction. Bet confirmed. Next. Choose your Zio bet amount, hit bet, and chill until the round kicks off. Quick and easy. Okay. Do we have to actually wait? Claim the wins. If a lady's luck got your back when the 5-minute. I suppose this is the timer. Interesting. I assume you can watch the action live here. Alright. Shout out from the treetops. Swing over the Twitter. Share the experience. Okay. You can just submit this one. And then after a while, you can go ahead and check the results in the dashboard. Alright, we completed the mission. So the deadline on this one at the moment of the recording is 1 day and 13 hours. And it's probably going to be extended as usual, unless I think they do some surprise announcements about the mainnet. And actually segueing into the mainnet topic, I think the announcement itself is really close. This is just my pure speculations here, but I do believe that with like 90% certainty we're gonna have the announcement in June, and then the launch itself is probably like 3 to 5 weeks after that. However much time is needed to set everything up. It's lately pretty quiet in the ecosystem. We don't have a lot of like new apps coming, tons of NFT projects, and it seems like everybody's just waiting for the mainnet. But Say team is not giving away any clues. Actually, tomorrow there's gonna be Twitter Spaces with Say co-founder Jay Jog. It's gonna be on Bybit official channel. I don't remember the exact time, but I'll look it up and link into the description as well. So what's going on in the ecosystem besides that? There is SenseiFi project live on Eclipse. If you participated in the whitelisting, you can go ahead and claim the tokens. The Guar is being very active with their hot drops. They add in more and more projects into that. So currently we are in, I would call it season 2. So you can no longer mint the old NFTs that were available up to the end of May. Now all of the NFTs they are adding, they are mintable up until June 20th. We got 2 airdrop announcements from Questify and Yoli. They're kind of similar. These are obviously supposed to happen at some time in the future after the mainnet launches, but they're promising some SAY tokens and some application tokens. Same pretty much here. However, follow these at your own risk, because SAY team stated repeatedly that they have nothing to do with these airdrops. They are not partnering on these campaigns, so these are done by applications themselves. Then we got a couple campaigns on Zilli. The first one is from SAY Pandas and Sparrow Swap. As you can see, minting cap is about to be reached soon. There is only 285 spots currently, but they're going pretty slow, so if you're watching this video in the first several hours after posting, you should have some time to claim it as well. You'll get some points and the OAT with the potential to win whitelist and some allocations of the future tokens on the mainnet. And if you participate in this campaign, don't forget to fill in the form afterwards. It's just dropping your wallets pretty much. And then we got more campaigns from SAY Daily. These are mostly again with the NFT projects. Currently there are 7 campaigns that are available. These are purely socials. Just join Discord, Twitter, tweet, retweet, stuff like that. And what's good here, you getting some points that can potentially become handy in the future. You getting the free OAT, gas is covered everywhere, so really no downside here. And lastly, regarding the NFT projects, lately we saw a lot of new projects. I'll drop some links in description to Zilli's, Discords. I really want to do the updated version on NFT projects on SAY, but to be honest, I have too much videos that I need to do first, so we'll see how that goes. That's gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like and consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.